Hello students, welcome to our today practical session. In our today practical session, we can learn the implementation of linked list in C++. So dear students, first of all, we have an idea regarding a linked list. So a linked list is a linear data structure in which the elements are not stored at contiguous memory location, or sometimes we can say that it is the collection of node. In case of linked list, dear students, we have the concept of a node. Okay, so a node is the combination of two things. The first thing is known as data part and the second thing is known as pointer part. The data part represent the information that is stored inside the node, and the pointer part is used to connect one node with the another node. Now we are seeing the practical part of linked list. So dear students, here first of all we have to add header files. So here I am adding hash include iostream.h, then hash include stdio.h. After that I am using hash include conio.h and hash include stdlib.h. Why I am using stdlib.h? Because I want to use malloc function in C++. After that, dear students, as I can tell you, a node is a combination of two things. First one is known as data part and second one is known as pointer part. To make the structure of a node, I can use structure in C++. So to make a structure, I can use struct keyword, and under this structure I can declare the variable for data part and also I can declare a pointer. Then I am using insert function. Why I am using insert function? Because if we want to insert the data into the beginning of the linked list, then we are using insert function. This insert function creates a new node and insert the numbers in the data field of the new node, and then the new node point to the head. Okay, what happened in the insert function? First of all, it creates a new node, then it insert the number in the data field of the new node, and then the new node point to the head. Okay, finally the head is the new node. Okay, this is the working of insert function. Then dear students, after insert function I am using another function, and that another function is display function. So why we are using display function? So with the help of display function we can display the whole linked list. Okay, so in case of display function, first pointer point to the head, then it continuously forwarded to the next node until all the data value of the nodes are printed. Okay, so what happen in display function? It display the whole linked list, and here the first pointer point to the head, then it continuously forwarded to the next node until all the data values of the nodes are printed. So this is our display function. After that we have our main function, and under the main function we are inserting various values in the linked list by calling insert function. Okay, when we are calling the insert function, it will insert the value inside linked list. After that we can display the linked list by using display function. Then we are using getch and closing curly brace. So this is our program for linked list. Okay, now I am executing my program. After executing my program, you can see our linked list is appeared in our output window, and you can see the linked list item 54239. Okay, how? Now I am compiling my program. There is no error, and now I am executing my program. Here you can see the linked list is 54239. So dear students, this is our program for linked list implementation. So thank you for joining our today's session.